Introducing the Vivo X200 Pro, a smartphone that pushes the boundaries of what a flagship device can do. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. Let's start with its display, a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel that delivers stunning visuals with true-to-life colors. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery-smooth scrolling and gaming, while the jaw-dropping 4,500 nits of peak brightness makes it easy to use, even in bright sunlight. At its core, the Vivo X200 Pro is powered by the state-of-the-art MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor. Built for speed and efficiency, it handles intense gaming, video editing, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. Thanks to its 12 GB of RAM, switching between apps is seamless, and the massive 1TB UFS 4.0 storage gives you enough space for all your photos, videos, and files. No lag, no compromise. Photography lovers, you're in for a treat. The Vivo X200 Pro comes equipped with a 50MP main sensor that delivers crystal clear photos in any lighting condition. And that's not all. The 200MP telephoto lens takes zoom photography to the next level, capturing every detail from afar. For ultra-wide photography, there's a 50MP ultra-wide lens. And the 32MP front camera is perfect for group selfies and vlogging with its ultra-wide field of view. The 6,000 mAh battery ensures you're powered up all day long, even with heavy usage. And when you do need to recharge, the 90-watt wired charging gets you back to 100% in no time. The 30-watt wireless charging keeps things simple and convenient. With its sleek premium design, the Vivo X200 Pro feels as good as it looks. If you're excited about the Vivo X200 Pro, let us know in the comments. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.